The next stretch that we're going to go over together is for the anterior fibers of your deltoid muscle. I call this particular stretch the anterior shoulder standing stretch. To get a good passive stretch, what I want you to do is find an object that is stable to hold, such as a doorknob or a tall and stable chair. I also want you to focus on the quality of your stance. It's going to be like a walking stance, but you're going to have both feet grounded. In order to begin the stretch, I'm going to start with my right side. You can start with your right side too. We'll get into that standing position. Then we're going to reach back. You're going to bring your hips back, and then you'll hold onto your object. Then you'll rotate those hips forward. And what you're going to do, rather tilt rather than rotate the hips. And what you'll do from there is you hold and you breathe. You come forward. You can do that like just by pushing off of your heel. You come forward. You hold that stretch for about 30 or 60 seconds and you practice your deep breathing. Then when you're done, you can come out of that stretch. You do the other side. Since the other side is off camera, I'm not going to do the other side, just rewind it. And you'll have stretch both sides of anterior deltoid muscle.